925. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. I would have been super fitted in high school, boy.
All right, now let's have the watch up. Yeah. Shoes with the shoes. Ah, I'm back like I never left.
God be with me. I don't want to spend the kids' trust fund money.
Depending on how many I got on him, he's gonna buy them all. So it's
Ooh, what you got going on here?
My $4,000 outfit. Versace, man. See how much this top cost. And they charged me hella taxes on that. I ain't wore like this since I was a kid. I used to wear silk as a kid, man.
Damn, rich.
Well, I tell you, I was into fashion like a mug. This one said $925 for some shorts. Ooh-wee. $2,100 outfit, not even counting the shoes. The shoes was about, I think the shoes were only $800, $2,900, $3,000. Yeah. Never in my life I thought
I know.
That's a year plus worth of clothes in high school. $3,000? I would spend like $100 an outfit in high school, if that. 30 outfits, huh? Ooh-wee! Ooh-wee! I would have been super fitted in high school, boy. God! Hey, y'all. For all the people that don't understand it, I still don't. So I know you don't.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But hey, the rich, the wealthy, bro, like even people try to speak on the super wealthy, the wealthiest, the 1%. Bro, those outfits those people be wearing, they be like in Dior, but it look normal. So you don't like $5,000 outfit they wear every day. It's just crazy, man. But it feels so good. Like this feels so good. I ain't gonna lie, it feel way better than Walmart and Target and cheap, man. Even Macy's, it feel better than Macy's, man. And that's all I used to wear was Macy's and Nordstrom Rack. Just, you know, this pre-music video, the Gucci's, the market that fit exactly like I bought it together. The Louis bag, you know those. Y'all know those. Those gonna be with me for a while until I upgrade this year. Once, you know, I hit the lottery. You guys gotta see Hypey, man. Ooh, that's an expensive outfit right there, man.
It is an expensive
They don't know about this style right here, Hypey.
No, they don't.
Ooh.
They can't even do it, bro. Y'all look all, your bodies look messed up, so you can't even put it on, bro.
Well,
your legs would look weird, bro.
They ain't confident.
You
that
gotta
was
be
meant
confident.
just for you.
Oh, I know. Got
Man.
watches.
So what we got there?
Designer
Off-white?
off-whites, man. These are like a rack for these shoes, you know?
What is that, Dior outfit?
This is Dior. It's got,
Dang.
you see that Dior print in it? Look at it. It's got Dior print in it.
Where is that? Show
It's
me.
in here. You see it? It's all
yeah.
it's all textured across the entire thing. That's what a lot of like designer brands do.
Look like
you know,
sperm
the
right there too.
Oh yeah, oh, it is
That's
sperm, baby. That's a lot of sperm, baby. That's an
Ugh.
octopus.
Damn.
You know? We got Porsche.
She.
Those are $500. You know, the ice and grill.
Ooh.
And then the hair, you got to get the hair together too,
Yeah.
bro. Like, do y'all don't even understand what it means to even like.
That's art.
Put it
You're a
together,
walking
man.
piece of art.
I know.
Dang.
But just wake up in your champion sweatpants, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Roll out of bed with in your hair.
they done
You don't
wore
even
a
put it
week.
together.
They done wore it a week. Don't even make
bro.
their bed.
They don't make their bed. You don't even hustle. You don't even get up early. Like,
But they mad on the internet though.
mad at me and
Mad at
I
me.
want to talk. Oh, why isn't your car 1,000 horsepower?
And they don't even have one 200.
Bro, you such a bro. Like,
Oh, then the bag.
oh yeah, that's 2,000. I got more in here
Dang.
that I probably shouldn't show you. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
I couldn't even put my knife in them. You know what I mean?
Oh,
we
yeah,
just
they
got the
weigh 'em
knife
down.
in there. You know, that's $500 knife. Sweet, thank you.
Thank you.
It's that cream, baby.
I thought it was gonna be a regular
Blueberry.
yeah. Well, man, pre-music video meal, no water. Hey, if you want to know the secrets of being shredded in any walks of life, today we doing a music video, so we wanted to be shredded. This is the only reason I'm eating like this. Like I say, I don't eat like this no more. But because of the situation, and y'all see the music video when I'm dumb shredded on there, the reason why.
You
Have
too,
a blessed
thank
one. You too. So yeah, thank you for this day. Thank you for watching over us. We ask that you let us have a successful and a negative, eventful day. Let everything run smoothly. I ask that you watch over us, our families, friends. Michelangelo today that'll be helping us. I ask that you watch over us going to all these different locations. Amen. So, yeah.
I almost feel bad for eating this.
Well, yeah,
My diet's
so when I used to do shows,
Yeah.
remember I got that one video where I'm eating like 10,000, well, it was about 10,000 calories during the show. I don't know if you've seen that. It was the last bodybuilding video I posted, and Mick filming, but bro, I had all this to myself.
Oh man.
And it was a mid-show, so I'd already did the morning show. So afterward, I ate hell and bro. Lost more weight.
Oh, like
So I
that?
used to hate, so I used to hate losing weight like that. Lost like 3-4 pounds.
Why?
All this sucks up the water, man.
Oh.
Any moisture in you just sucks it up, the carbs in your body. It's weird. It's a weird process.
But trust
it's
it.
dehydration process, yeah. Ooh, there's a little bit. I don't want my stomach bubbling too much. That stomach piece bubbling. Hyphy White let me eat like that, y'all.
It's for a music video. It's because I'm cold.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully I don't blow out my gut. Oh god. That is good as dude.
It's hard getting down.
Pop it and still go to sleep.
No, you won't.
We about to find out.
Well, it's good how you feeling good, man. You know what I mean? Right where you need to be. Nootropic, you got the nootropic in it. You know what I mean? Not that fake Joe Rogan be talking about that don't work. This real deal. You know what I'm talking about, Joe?
Joe?
Yeah. Joe Rogan.
Joe Biden.
Well damn, look at this bit. Damn. Versace, how much were those?
About 800, 850.
800, 850.
This top was 1200. Bottom
Cap.
850.
There's no way.
They can Google it.
Why would
All
you
they gotta do
spend
is
that much
Google it.
money on that?
I'm a rapper. That's what we do, man.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
alrighty. Can't you tell?
I can tell now.
Man. Look at that, I'm a rapper. I'm a rapper, man.
Oh, hold on. I know you wouldn't have did that, but
Let me know if you need to adjust anything.
oh this. Oh yeah, I need more shutter. There's no ND filter built into this one.
No, that one's on slow mo.
Okay.
So it's
Okay, I'm all right. You ready, Callie?
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm rolling. Oh yeah. Slow. Yeah.
you want it in manual focus?
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, always.
Pull this back.
Woo. Oh.
I just get excited with
I
the
know. The filmmaker in here is coming back.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
It's never left. Oh yeah, yeah. Now we're rolling. Oh damn. You never seen your eyes hit like that, Callie? God damn. Let me see the teeth. Oh yeah. Yeah, right there. Move a little less. I'm a real filmmaker. All right, now let's have the watch up. Yeah. Oh yeah, with the drip, with the shoes, with the shoes. Ah, I'm back like I never left. Oh yeah, that's good. Give me some movement with it. Yeah. I'm back like I ain't never left.
Excited to get that
I
camera
got
in his
that
hand.
camera in my hand.
Yeah, he love that.
I love it all. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, all right. Move the feet around some, so I can see the Versace logo. Yeah. Yeah, Versace mode. Yeah. Yeah, that's that good where you're just moving. Oh yeah.
You don't have a regular fit, like
Regular fit. This is everyday fit.
My bad. You ain't got a Walmart fit? I was thinking, what if you did like a cameo coming in and like interrupting him shooting the music video? But, like, you're the old Miles coming back from the past.
Oh, well, I never wore Walmart.
You got the red.
Yeah. I never wore
my.
I did change. I leveled up just like everybody's supposed to. I leveled up.
Nah,
you came in that Walmart. You say you from Indiana using that Walmart outfit. Yeah.
You're a true.
Yeah, you got jokes.
I ain't never been to Kansas.
Oh,
Kansas, Indiana.
You don't know Kansas.
Yeah.
This guy, he always wanted to be a rapper.
Hold that.
Pull the supercar, super bad. Baby mama, super bad.
Man, looking young, boy.
What's going on?
Good
to see you.
What's up, dog? Good
What's
to see
happening?
you.
Oh,
What's up?
you bit my style too.
Yeah, I had to.
Look at you looking
Man,
good.
you got the full kit on today.
Oh, Versace out.
Fully kitted out.
Versace
Kidding.
Hell yeah. How about both of you?
Dior and
Both of you.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Nice to meet you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we brought Callie in a jewelry store today, so you know.
Oh yeah. I still got to come back and get that. I think it's a Sky Dweller.
Sky Dweller, yeah.
Yeah. God be with me. I don't want to spend the kids' trust fund money. Nice on me, man.
Sus.
Hold on, that one hitting harder than mine. That one hitting harder than mine, boy.
This one.
Oh, let's go down. Yeah. What is this one?
This is an Audemars Piguet Royal Oak chronograph. 41
Oh
mil.
man, you talking about 400K right there, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That fit perfect. I got the perfect wrist, Hyphy Whitey.
Nice.
Oh,
Nice.
ring it all up. Ring it all up.
Nice. That's what I'm talking
You got
about.
credit. I got to pay it 30 years.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Peter Marco here. I'm with the one and only Cali Muscle. Today we got a challenge from some admirers and followers, and they wanted to see how many Cubans I could put on Cali in 60 seconds. Hit the timer.
Let's go, baby. Come on, Peter.
1,
Let's go, Peter.
2,
Show these jewelers out here, man.
3.
Let's go.
I'm cheating. 4, 5.
Let's go. How much time we got?
20 seconds in, Peter.
Oh, that's all right. He got 40 seconds.
Okay.
Doing good.
Don't move because they might fall.
Okay.
No. I'm cheating.
That counts.
Oh.
That don't count.
Oh.
6. Okay. Oh, God.
You got it?
You know why I don't got my glasses on?
You know.
Okay, here we go. How much
40
time?
seconds in.
40. Okay,
20
we got this, man. We got a clean house here.
Show these jewelers, Peter.
Come on, we got almost 10 seconds left.
World renowned.
Come
I'm the
on.
fastest drawer in the West.
8, 7, 6, 5,
Let's go,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo-hoo.
1 minute.
Well,
All right,
and
exactly.
There
what
you
we
go.
Let's see.
And how
Now,
many we
Callie
get?
said, depending on how many I got on him, he's going to buy them all. So it's really
Oh, I thought you was going to give them.
I would have took my time. Let's see, we got 1. We got 2, 3, 4. Oh man, we did good, guys.
Well,
We got 5.
the first to ever do it. Now all the jewelers
Now,
out there got
everyone's
to
going
keep
to be
up.
trying to beat my record.
Exactly.
I mean, you got to have them to even do it.
Ah, I love it. We did good, guys.
Well,
Listen, 7, 8.
8.
So you
Yeah.
figure an average of 30 to 40,000 a Cuban times 8, probably about 350,000.
Well, ring them all up, Peter.
350,000.
Click here to watch another Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.